Something's wrong.
Everything is shutting down.
It's critical. Alert the team.
Christmas is cancelled.
You can't cancel Christmas. It's only 10 days away. What's the point of Grumpmas?
Grumpmas is the new Christmas because that's what I want. It's my holiday now.
But sir, Santa is real.
Then we regulate him. We rebrand. We optimize. We monetize joy. Prepare the workforce.
We must prepare for the worst. If we fail, everything will be lost.
Grump!
Sir, he's here.
Christmas was cancelled.
Can someone fix the heat? What is this? Antarctica?
It wasn't the room. It was him.
It's not the room. It's you.
Oh, good. Now I control the weather too.
You're damaging something you don't understand. The belief grid is the foundation of everything. It's breaking.
Sounds like branding.
He wasn't joking.
Grumpmas, TM, premium tiers, paid upgrades, no freebies. People don't want magic. They want results.
And when it breaks, everything follows.
He thought he was improving it.
Sparkle! Something's in the workshop.
Well, that's new. The cracks weren't theoretical anymore. The world was starting to glitch.
You've made the naughty list, Grump. And this time, there's no coming back.
This is where it starts.